Welcome to InspireX, where words transform your mind and your life.
There will come a time in your life when everything feels slow, when your progress is invisible, when your efforts seem unnoticed, and when the world doesn't clap for you. In those quiet moments, most people stop, but champions, they keep going. Your future is not built in the spotlight. It's built in silence, in the hours when no one is watching, in the days when nothing seems to change, and in the moments when you question yourself the most. That's where strength is born. Every single step you take, even the small ones, are shaping a version of you that is stronger, wiser, and more prepared than ever before. You may not see the results today, but growth is happening inside you. Slow progress is still progress. And consistency is the bridge between who you are and who you're meant to be. Remember this: greatness is not created in comfort. It's created in discipline. It's created by waking up every day and choosing to fight for your dreams, even when the world gives you reasons to quit. Your struggle today is preparing you for opportunities you cannot yet see. Don't rush the process, trust it. One day, the world will see the results you achieved quietly. One day, people will call you lucky without knowing how many silent battles you fought. But you will know. You will know the nights you didn't give up. You will know the weight you carried and the strength you built. So keep going, even when it's difficult, even when it's lonely, even when you don't feel ready. Your future is being built right now, in silence. And soon, the noise of your success will speak louder than the doubts that ever tried to break you.
Stay strong, stay focused, and keep rising. This is InspireX,